Today we have 2019 MacBook Air, which came for a battery replacement. So MacBook won't stay flat on a desk. It will wobble a bit when in use, and it won't hold basically charge. Usually with the battery problems, machine might be a bit unstable on a battery only, where it switches off. But if we connect the charger, should be stable. So if we connect the charger, there you can see that the charger is providing current. Let's see if it's going to switch off this time. There you go. So it loaded up without any problems. It's just not basically staying on when it is not connected to a charger. That's a quick way to identify if it's a battery problem or something else. So let's take it apart and basically remove the battery and replace it with a new one. Remove the trackpad. Once we remove the double side tape, battery comes up pretty smooth and the new battery is good to go in. Before we put the battery in, we want to clean this machine pretty well, because we've seen lots of organic materials oxidating inside of these Macs and corroding the chips. So we're gonna take out also the charging connectors and check them out. So they look a little bit dirty, so let's clean them. Alright, we cleaned the socket. You can see how much shinier it is now. Let's put it back, because we need to make sure that this socket stays clean, because we do get a lot of charging failures caused by bad connection on them. Okay, so battery has been replaced. We serviced the machine as well, cleaned the ports, and it's good to be closed. Okay, there we go. We replaced the battery, and the machine has been serviced and it's good to go.